If you're a content creator, video producer, app developer, or any creative person looking to showcase the world inside of Apple Vision Pro, you probably want to capture things in the highest resolution possible. You can easily screen record what you do inside of Vision Pro with the built-in tool, and those recordings look great, but the problem is they max out at 1080p. The good news is that there is another way that you can go about recording things in 4K for even greater clarity like you're seeing here. It's quite a few steps to do this, but luckily you only have to do this process once. Let me show you how to do it. So this process is going to require a Mac with Xcode installed. The first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure your Mac and your Vision Pro are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. From there, open the Settings app on your Vision Pro, navigate over to General Remote Devices, and it's going to say Ready to Pair. Next, open up Xcode on your Mac, go to Devices and Simulators, and you should see your Vision Pro waiting to connect. Click Pair and enter the code that you see on your Vision Pro to pair it with your Mac. Now, you'll be able to enable developer mode on your Vision Pro. To do this, go to Privacy and Security and Settings and scroll all the way down to developer mode and turn that on. Your Vision Pro will automatically restart and boot back up in developer mode. When it's back on, go over to Xcode and open up Reality Composer within the Open Developer Tools of Xcode. The final step here is to select Developer Capture under the File tab, and you're ready to start recording in 4K. That's all that there is to do. As of now, you can only record 1-minute clips at a time, but if you plan what you want in advance, this limitation shouldn't be that big of a problem. Another thing worth mentioning is that recording at this high of a resolution and bitrate combined with all of the visuals going on in the spatial world, it uses a lot of processing power, so your Vision Pro will likely run hot and it will need some time to cool down before you can start recording again. I've been able to get around 8 to 10 minutes of record time before I needed to take it off to let it cool down. Just something to be mindful of. So that's all I got for this how-to. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for many more videos coming your way soon. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!